Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to open a can without can opener. This cool life hack can be very handy if you find yourself in a bad situation where you have food but you don't have any can opener or even a knife to open a can. To be able to open the can, all you need is obviously can and some kind of a rough surface, and concrete actually works the best. Alright, let's see if I can open it. All we need to do is rub against the concrete really hard. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the juice is coming out. But we don't care about the juice, we want what is inside. Alright, look at this. Now it's all inside. All you need to do is just push on it, get the lid out, and now we have food. Here we go. What do we have here? Asparagus. It's a good stuff. Alright, let's try open this one. Now you want to rub it really hard. Yeah, I see juice coming out already. Alright, the lid is inside. Gonna take the lid out, and here is our food. What do we have here? Peas. Nice. Alright guys, that's how you open a can without a can opener. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll speak to you soon.